Hollow words versus ignorance excuses. The responsibility evasion play of the impoverished. In their day-to-day lives, the impoverished boast as if there's nothing they don't know, no field they are unfamiliar with. However, when confronted with real issues, they always hide behind the barrier of I don't know, I don't understand. For the impoverished, not knowing and not understanding become excuses to evade responsibility and obligations. What's even more infuriating is their tendency to use advanced items without understanding or bothering to learn, ending up recklessly damaging or dismantling things, refusing to take responsibility afterward. When held accountable, they turn the blame around. Why didn't you tell us? If you don't tell me, how am I supposed to know? I don't get it. If I tell you, does that automatically make you understand? If you genuinely study and learn about everything, would you still be in poverty? This behavior of speaking empty words and shifting responsibility is intolerable. Responsibility cannot be evaded through mere talk but through genuine action and continuous learning. Only through diligent learning can we break free from the shackles of ignorance, and embrace broader opportunities.